Ready? Okay, here you go. This is your first taste of cereal. What do you think? Any interest? Yeah? Over here, honey. Over here.
Well, it's just a mess.
Well, what do we think?
Do you like it?
It's from the book. Good night, Mush. Here we go. Oh, awesome. What do you think? Is it pretty good?
It's mush. Oh, this is gonna be a messy affair.
It's your very own mush. Okay. Not so much.